Hi everyone and welcome back to the video. Today I will show you how to apply for Instagram verification badge. So just copy the same steps that I will show you in this video and let's get towards the video. First of all, open your Chrome browser and now open your Instagram. Now you have to go to your profile and there you will see a settings on the right side of your profile. Click on settings. Here you will see Meta verified. Open the Meta verified. So on this interface you will see the verification and you just have to click on join in the waiting list and your profile will be added in the waiting list of verification badge. So you have to complete the specific eligibility criteria and then you will receive your verification badge from Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.